Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add or remove desktop icons in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start on adding a desktop icon in our Windows 11 desktop. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear here in this window, and once it's there, click on open to continue. You can also press Windows and I key together, and in that manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see a list of the options. And here you need to look for an option called personalization. So click on it. And the moment you bring up the personalization tab, there you can see a list of the options. Please proceed with the third option, which is the themes. So click on it. And under the themes, you would be able to see this related settings where it has two options which contains desktop icon settings and contrast themes. And since we're dealing or we're talking about the adding of the desktop icons, then we need to proceed with this desktop icon settings and click on this forward arrow aligning to it. And the moment you've successfully bring up this window, simply close the window so that you can focus in this new window which is desktop icon settings. So from here, you can simply add the desktop icons that you'd like with by checking the box aligning to it. So if you'd like to place the computer, the user files, the network, the recycle bin, the control panel here in the desktop screen, simply click this box aligning to that specific icons checked. Okay, once you have checked it, you can now proceed on confirming your action, and that is to click on apply and then okay. So from here, you have just successfully add a desktop icons here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you can now view your how to fix guides, the network, the recycle bin, the disk PC, or the computer, as well as the control panel. So that's the easiest way on how to add desktop icons here in your Windows 11 desktop. But let's say, on the contrary, you'd like to hide a desktop icons here in your Windows 11 desktop. So we need to navigate the same process, and that is again at the bottom search bar. Please type for settings. Once you've typed it, click on open to continue. And at the settings window, please proceed at the left side of that and locate again for personalization. And under the personalization tab, proceed again with the themes. And afterwards, look for related settings once again for the last time. Go with this forward arrow. And the moment you bring up the small window, please close the settings window. And by here, you can see the desktop icons. Where here, you need to uncheck this specific icons that you'd like to add with. So if you don't want your computer to show here at the desktop, you can uncheck it. If you don't want your user files to show here the desktop unchecked it, as well as the network, as well as the control panel, as well as the recycle bin. Once you have unchecked all of the boxes, click on apply and then OK. So in that way, you have just successfully hide the desktop icons here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So those are the steps on how to show or hide desktop icons in your Windows 11 desktop. Now, if you think those steps help you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.